I'm gonna sing a song for you. I just gotta find the GarageBand thing. I don't know what that there. Nope. Ah. You need a man, he's got your back, but before that, he stands on 2 feet. Now you're thinking, he stands on 2 feet. He wants your hand, and he is fine with waiting. You know, for that day, I probably should start over, but I won't anyway. Where you marry, because he knows true love is worth waiting. He wants your hand for the day of ring exchanging. That's the day he'll wait for you. A marriage of redemptive suffering, a tour towards heaven. You want a man who's gonna treat you right, gonna wait for the wedding night. That's right. You need a man to have your hand for the rest of your life, till death do you part. You need a man, not a dilly-dally checker dude. You need a man who's gonna treat you right, not a dilly-dally checker dude who watches pop and copies the rocker dudes. You need a man who's gonna wait for the wedding night. Good night.